Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchy. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchase. All this come from Europe. Let's go. That is some tops. It's a mix about mainly football, baseball, and a little bit about basketball. Let's go. That it's tops. It's about the set of the Giants. That is a team leader. I will just read you the name. Okay, Troy Archer. It's a top 79. Harry Carson, great player. Bobby Hammond, Jim Clark. The New York Giants is one of my favorite NFL team. Joe Danilo with the Giants, love this. Randy Dean, Al Dixon, Emery Moorhead, Dave Jennings, Joe Pisarcik, that it's Ron Mikolasik, I think so. I will just show you the back of this edition of so that's great. Railroads, that is a former coach, I think so, NFL coach. Johnny Perkins, Dan Dornick, Jack Gregory, Brian Kelly, Doug Cotard, Larry Mallory, Jimmy Robinson, Brad Van Pelt, John Medenhall, Gary Chert, and Doug Van Horn. Move on. I love a lot this card. This must to be some tops 86. Okay, it's all about the Patriot. That must to be James Craig or Craig James. That is auto from Steve Grogan, but the auto is not in good quality. But anyway, John Hanna, Hall of Fame, Brian Holloway, Tony Franklin, must to be the shoeless kicker, Tony Eason, Craig James, Tony Collins, Irving Fryer, famous player, Raymond Claiborne, Rich Camarillo, Fred Marion, Andre Tippett, very good player, Steve Nelson, and Gary Veris. Next, move on. That must to be some tops 82. It's all about the Eagles, Philadelphia Eagles. It's an auto about Stan Walter. He was a tackle. I don't know this player, but quite happy to get auto. Ronell Young, Charlie Smith, Brenna Wilson, Jerry Sizemore, Kate Griffiths, Randy Logan, Frank Lemaster, Hubert Oliver, Jerry Robinson in action, again Jerry Robinson, Tony Franklin, Carl Airston, Tony Franklin again, the shoeless kicker. Maybe I will try to send a teacher request if it's possible about this player, but great. Ron Jaworski, that must to be the biggest player on this set so far. Dennis Harrison, Charlie Johnson, Billy Campfield, Harold Carmichael, very, very good player. Again, about Carmichael. Herman Edwards, I know, the former NFL coach. And John Bunting. Let's go, move on. That it's about the NBA. What I don't know really the year, and it's a Utah Star. Oh, shout out to Brian. I didn't see this card. Okay, Utah Star. Shout out to Brian. Bear 34 card. Oh, what's the player? Ron Boone, Moses Malone. Oh, he was a very great one. Al Smith. Okay, that's nice. That is sweet. Move on. The San Antonio Spurs. George Gervin, very good. George Gervin, James Silas, Swin Letter. The Detroit Pistons. Bob Lanier, I think he was good. Stu Lance, Dave Bing, and Bob Lanier. The Sizers, Fred Carter, Tom Van Hardasee, Leroy Ellis and Fred Carter. On those cards must to be some NBA. Oh, sorry, I don't know the year. Must have been the 70, but that it's about the Bullets of Washington, of Capitol Bullets. Phil Chenier, Kevin Porter, Elvin Ice. That is it's the Kansas City Omaha Kings. Jimmy Walker and Sean Blessey. And that's the Lakers, the famous, what's the name? Gail Goodrich. Oh, I don't know these two players. On this card, it's very great. It's Phil Jackson, the Zen Master. This card must to be a tops about the year is 76, 77. I think he won 2 titles with the Knicks as a player and must to be 71 and 73. Love this card. Move on. That is very a sweet card. I'm very happy this purchase. Also very pay few bucks. It's a Rick Adelman. And about the year must to be 71, 70, 71, something like this. And maybe I will show you the back. Rick hobbies is golf. Me too. That it's nice. Move on. This is some football. It's about must be the Lions on the year. Sorry, I don't know the name. The year must to be 72, I think so. 69 or my bad, I don't know the year, but anyway, Lance Barney, Rockne Freitas, Chuck Walton, Mel Farr, Bill Monson, Ed Flanagan. I love the looking of the card. Jerry Rush, all about the Detroit Lions, and the biggest East must to be Alex Karras, Hall of Fame player. That is great. Move on. That it's a Fleer 60. It's any Manush. I don't know anything about this player. Okay, it's really a throwback player. I don't know when he play in. Maybe in the 20 or 30, and you just see the W letter about I must to be Washington Senator. That is great. Move on. That it's Philadelphia card. Must to be, sorry, I don't know the year. Maybe 66, but I am not sure. Or 64, sorry, I don't know. Or 63 maybe. Forrest Gregg, that is so great. And Ray Nitschke, 2 legendary Packers player that is so great. Move on. This card must also be a Philadelphia card. Must to be with the yellow border. Must to be 70. Must to be 67. And I love this card in action. What's the game versus the Giants versus the Steelers. I love this card. Okay, move on. That it's top 70. Top 69. Johnny Podres from the Padres. I don't know this player, but I love the looking of this card. That's great. This must to be a Deckel card, I think so. One of some people comment in my previous video. I think it must to be a Deckel card, and was found in the top 69, I think so. It's about Joy Foy. I don't know this guy, but I love the looking of this card. On this, we can speak about insert. Must to be found at the time in the tops 79, maybe in the second or third edition, third series. That it's a Kellogg's card. I love the looking of the card. The quarterback is Bill Kilmer from the Saints. I don't know, first time I read his name, but very nice, or maybe a few times. Move on. Is it also a Kellogg's card, this or no? Maybe. It's Sutton, Hall of Fame, and that must to be Dan or Don Sutton? Donald, okay, Don Sutton. And I love the looking of this card, and he's a Hall of Fame, and I love this card. Move on. Great player, Lou Brooks. That is great. Another Lou Brooks. We just shoot you in the same. Love, love, love. That is great. Move on. That is very nice because I find this card from this European seller and I very pay a few bucks. It's not really in good shape, but anyway, I can pass on this card because it was very cheap and I love so much the looking of this card. And another about the Juice, O.J. Simpson, and I love so much the looking of this card. I don't know why, but I love so much. Move on. 5 cards remaining. That it's Richie Ashburn. The card is not well centered, but I will not complain because I pay very few bucks. And very happy to get this card, and that's one of my favorite cards of this video. That's great. Move on. That it's a Baltimore Colt card team. The year is 1960, and I love this set, and the team card sets are so beautiful. I don't know if you can see Johnny Unitas in 60. I think maybe play for, I don't know, maybe was it. Okay, move on. That it's Bowman 50. Love this card. What is the player? Is Gary Preedy with the tiger uniform. Love this card. On my last 2 cards, it's very funny because that is very funny because just few days before I purchased a Jim Ringo Bowman 55 on the net from USA. I pay a lot of bucks. I think I pay 30 or something like this. And I find this card from this European seller. Of course, the card is not really in good condition. You see some a mark on this side, but I think I pay $7 or $8 or something like this, and I will not complain because the Jim Ringo card is quite difficult to find about this set. And okay, I will get 2 Jim Ringo cards with the Packers, but the price was very low. And the last card that is so beautiful is Tom Fear. I love the pose of the card. I love the logo because I love the logo and color uniform of the Rams. This card must to be a top 56, I think so. And the looking of the card is so beautiful. This card must to be my favorite card about this video. Thank you for watching. All the best. Happy following sport. Bye bye.